Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, I'm comparing Shopify and Big Cartel, two platforms for creating online stores without needing technical skills. I'll cover their features, ease of use, and pricing to help you determine which one really is better for your business. So by the end, you'll know which platform best fits your needs. But before we start, let me give you that special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below. You get a 3-day Shopify free trial and the $1 per month offer. And you'll get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. Let's go with a quick overview out the gate. Shopify is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world. It's no surprise. It gives you everything you need to build and grow a store, whether you're just starting or already running a big business. Big Cartel is much simpler and mainly designed for small sellers, artists, and creators who want an easy way to sell a few products without dealing with a lot of complicated tools. Let's talk about features. Shopify gives you a lot of tools to run your business. You can add unlimited products, manage your inventory, use beautiful themes, recover abandoned carts, create discounts, and install thousands of apps to add new features. It really is a complete system for growing your store. Big Cartel focuses on the basics. You can add your products, choose a simple theme, set your prices, and launch your store very quickly. It's great if you only sell a small number of items, but you'll likely need custom coding for any advanced functionality. Ease of use. Shopify, as you're maybe well aware, if not, it's very beginner friendly. The dashboard is clean, simple, and guides you step by step. Even if you've never built a website before, you can set everything up easily. Big Cartel, even simpler because it offers fewer options, which makes it a bit less overwhelming. But this also means that you might feel limited if you want to grow or add advanced tools later. Now let's talk about customization. Shopify gives you a lot of themes to choose from, and you can edit your store with the drag and drop builder. This makes it easy to design a store that looks professional, right? Big Cartel, though, gives you fewer themes, and customization is more limited unless you know how to code. If you want full control over how your store looks, Shopify is the better option. Next up, pricing. Shopify's plans start at basic, which is $25 per month. Grow is $65 a month. Advanced is $399 per month. And Shopify Plus is $2,300 per month. Big Cartel, three simple plans. Gold is $0 per month. Premium is $15 per month. Diamond is $30 per month. Now, which one do you choose? If you're an artist, creator, or someone who only needs a simple store to sell a few products, Big Cartel is perfect. It's easy, it's clean, and even offers a free plan. But if you want a store that can grow, handle more products, and give you more tools and customization, Shopify is the better choice. It's great for beginners, but also powerful enough for bigger businesses. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more just like it. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.